How to change delivery address on Amazon account. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now first of all, go to any browser that you have. I'm going to go for Google Chrome, and on the search bar, just search for amazon.com. So just search for amazon.com and tap on the very first option that pops up, and here is your profile. Make sure that you're logged into your account. After that, what you need to do is just tap on your account over here, then tap on account. After tapping on the account, you will be able to see your address option over here. Tap on your address. Then here you can see your address over here where you have addressed as your billing address. So just tap on edit. Then here you can see the option of update address at the very bottom of the screen. Tap on update address. So you can just edit this option over here and change delivery address on Amazon. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell notification for more updates. That's it for today, and see you next time.